3 steps for finding your acting niche. Finding your acting niche, more than anything, has to do with building self-awareness and self-discovery. The more you know who you are as a person, the easier it will be to find your place in the industry. After all, you'll want to pursue a niche that is going to make you happy and one that you feel you can stick with for a long time to come. If you're just getting started and are unsure about which direction to head, or you've been headed in a direction that isn't fulfilling and you're hoping for a change, here are a few tips for finding the niche for you. Here is the first step for finding your acting niche. Everyone has certain morals and values. These are instilled in us at an early age through modeling and help to build a sense of right versus wrong. Of course, your value system can change over time, but generally, core beliefs, good, bad, or indifferent, tend to stick. What does this have to do with acting? It's all about trusting your gut, then taking that one step further to determine why something feels off. If you have been working on building your commercial ad portfolio but aren't connecting with the brands you're representing or the clients you're working with, perhaps it's time to switch things up. You may find, in your search for an alternate course, that commercial acting, in general, just is not your style and you would feel more fulfilled in another niche. Here is the second step for finding your acting niche. Along these same lines, you will want to consider whether you're finding joy in the gigs you're pursuing. It is okay to try out many different things all at once rather than remain hyper-focused in one area of acting. If you try out many different types of acting, you'll be more apt to find something that brings you joy more quickly. It's also okay to decide that you don't want to head in a certain direction. But of course, you don't want to burn any bridges. If you're right smack dab in the middle of a project, do your best to finish, focusing on displaying your best acting abilities right through to the end. Then, you can choose to cross that particular type of gig off your niche list moving forward. Here is the third step for finding your acting niche. Remember, your niche is uniquely you. Thus, it's important not to get so caught up on following in the footsteps of your favorite star or rigidly assuming that you need to head in a particular direction because that's what you read about somewhere along the way. Finding your niche means not comparing yourself to anyone else or feeling like you have to go on a predetermined journey. Really connect with the inner you to best determine what your career should look like. Discovering who you are as an actor takes time, dedication, and determination. Know that as you change through the years, your career direction may change with you. Whether it does or doesn't, finding your niche is always extremely rewarding.
To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.